What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another one. We're out here. What are you guys doing? Guys, we gotta get up. Let's go. Guys, we gotta get ready. Come on. Connor, get up. Anyhow, we're out here in eastern South Dakota. We thought the weather was bad last weekend. Yeah, well, we got snow on the ground. It's early October. We got Lucas.
What's up, boys?
We got Connor. We gonna shoot some ducks. Alright, we're heading out to the spot. She's chilly out there. We got snow coming down, wind blowing about 25 miles an hour.
28 degrees.
About 28 degrees out there. Good day for duck hunting.
Should be fun.
Should be fun.
Cold one, boys.
Hey, Connor. Hey, we're at the spot.
Yeah, that's explains why we're still driving.
What?
Explains why we're still driving.
And we're like pulling up the spot right now. Yeah.
We're actually out in the cornfield.
You awake back there? Okay. Alrighty, boys, we're at the spot. Oh, jeez. Alright. Unpack all the stuff here. Let's see, we don't have the gear back here actually. This deal we put together last night. She's a floating gun holder and shell holder that you can use in the water.
There's two haters coming right in. Coming right in. Coming right in. Coming right in.
Attaboy,
Both of
Connor.
them doubled up already.
Alright, we're here early morning. Got a couple ducks down out there already.
Thanks to yours truly. Okay, right here.
Alright, here we go. Bunch of them coming in. Drop them. Alright, boys, we got 3 ducks down already. Doing pretty good. This spot is so good. Our fingers are cold. Connor dropped his gun in the water. Our little floaty thing doesn't work very good, but we are shooting the ducks like crazy, boys. Stay tuned.
Right here. Oh, Logan smoked him.
Got him.
Right by Samantha and Wayne. There you go.
Kill him. Got him.
Right by Samantha and Wayne. Kill it. One of us.
Lucas shoots his first duck ever.
Okay,
Let's
Lucas, go get him. Go get him.
Go get him.
Go get it. That's a big
Stay in
duck.
the corn while you're walking out to them.
Wait for the top one.
I got that one. Kill him.
Your gun doesn't go off, but I want to mount it.
Okay.
I want to know what
That's a nice duck.
Pretty greenhead here. And that's, so make us like 11 ducks, which is 7 away from a 3-man.
All right, boys, we gotta
Pretty good.
get this 3-man limit now. Wind's starting to pick up. She's cold. Let's kind of slow down a little bit here. See if we can get this guy to come in. Here we go, here we go, here we go. I got him.
Yeah, you got
I'll
him.
go grab him quick.
All right. That was beautiful. He was cupped.
He was nice.
Right here, right here. Hey, hey. Right there, right there, right there. Take him. Take him. There we go. That's a Drake Mallard. Go grab him. Is that a boy? Is that a bufflehead? Here, here, right here, right here, right here. Mile high. Let me see him. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Bufflehead. I know, I saw that. That is a beautiful duck.
I don't know if I got the shot on camera, but I sure hope I did.
I got it on camera. Hey, hey, hey. Let me see him.
Like, actually, I might pay for him on my boy.
Wow. Look at that.
What are you in it? Is it a buffalo?
That's a bufflehead. That is a beautiful duck. That's a beauty.
That boy was sick.
That boy's sitting right there for sure.
He's not on it.
What the heck?
What's that one? That's that one that was in the pond. Just pounding.
GoPro, start recording. They're shooting at that goose duck mallard that's a mile high.
There's no way.
Hey, hey, this thing's wounded. It's wounded. It's wounded. Our duck now, right there. Dump him. No, no. Well, you guys talk, but our duck now. Dang it.
Right here, right here, right here, right here.
No, too fast, too fast.
Oh, too fast.
Too fast.
What'd you say?
Grab that.
Just got us.
Somebody go grab that first.
Too fast for you. He was flying. Got a blue wing here. Doesn't quite have all of his colors yet though. She's cold. All right, we're back at the shop. Had a nice hunt today. Shot 14 ducks. Lucas, how many did we get?
15 ducks.
15? All right, we got 15 ducks. Had a beautiful bufflehead. Couple nice greenheads, couple teal, one pintail. Yeah. My GoPro died again like usual, so didn't get us picking up decoys, but we're back at the shop. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll catch you next time.